Now, the ball comes to him. Ne? Could have played the ball here, but he decides to do what? Decide to gulvala. Now, you think Kukuti, you think Kukuti, he did well there. No, usibuyisele muva. Let me take it back and show you. Usibuyisele muva. Remember, sifuna ukuphuma ngithi. The purpose is for us to what? To phuma. Now, ulitrepile kamnandi. Bamphasile ibhola, watrepa kamnandi. Then decision making, the space la mfana kithi. Play the ball there. You can easily play the ball, but it decides ukwenzani? It decides ukulivala. Angithi, vali, go back. Angithi, sharp. Now we need to find another way yokuphuma. Okay, because isimnandi siyenzani? Siyaphuma. Now, the mistake, right? Ngicala la. Yes, kuyadliwa lokhu kini wena. Remember Williams, 8 seconds. Ne? 8 seconds. Now, the defenders are supposed to open up. Sharp. Now, ibhola lila mfana kithi. You can see the man. Pass the man. Pass the man. Always play a simple pass.